Well, mobility is going through quite a stage of change and transition at the moment. There are a number of factors that are sort of changing that landscape, and I think transport operators are obviously being much more cognizant to the opportunities that lie there. Our approach to mobility design is around this experiential aspect of things. So how human beings actually interface or relate to transport infrastructure, how there might be approaches to transitioning from use of the personal car to something that's a bit more active. So this sort of just enables a different approach than a sort of rational mathematical modeling look at, or quantitative modeling look at the way that transport infrastructure works.
I think one of the most unique aspects of the lab is that we're quite focused on the solution side of research. In 2010, we were commissioned by Volgren to work with their engineering department on redesigning their core product. Before we even started designing the product, we analysed the current product and the way it was manufactured so that we could find potential improvements while also finding potential improvements in the design to try and make a product that would be in production for a very long time itself. The end result was the Volgren Optimus bus, which has been in continuous production for nearly a decade.
We're very good at being able to unpack the problems and be able to orchestrate their reconstruction in a way that enables innovation to flower. The challenge of climate change and as a global problem is very significant. And so for myself and my colleagues and our students to be engaged in a significant part of that where we can see tangible change not only is needed, but that we have the skills and the expertise to be able to mitigate those problems, I think is exciting. We feel we're making those first steps. So it's a good place to be.
So building a bike rack sounds easy, but it's difficult to design a bike rack that will fit all the different types and sizes and shapes of bicycles. And that's why we came up with the wheelie solution, the idea of lifting the bicycles up. Turning the journey of one person in a car into the journey of 9 or even 12 people on bicycles is a really good use of public space. The future of mobility looks much more sustainable than it does now. Through more responsible use of energy and vehicles and through making better choices around active transport like walking and cycling, we can continue to live fulfilling, wonderful lives, but with less impact on the planet.